Monjumu ligiriri bono na gukwanira ndonzi ya sobereta semargoba ya bono chinga kichirana nengo kwaligania asemesa ya manganama yenyare gukomanyigati yari tobereto gukwaliganira kurwa semambya yarenge ntambe weka chinse chigabono chia bono marogoba inyere stariki ni komunisato na chibono omutenyi okabiro mwaka bwekiri bubere na merongebere nebere ekero bono lituko lya Jumapili na manga bereka okolekana nsemo ya siasa ya county ya Nyamira na baigase county ya Kisii na baigobona ime county ya Nairobi ani kanano ni gobona atebiro ikajikori karukyo bogavana asensemeyo chinga kichi ni gomugemenrebwe county ya Arekipi ya Keti wa Ruguru anyarega kumochi umure wenso musko Uhuru Kenyatta na sekigose ayuni nchiko gosansamuranira aseri bona okumajibu na bereka wateka yo monenda mangana kwaligana ngomanya senchira yobo ikiranu iritirane nkroko Vincent Onyancha. Nigotoko chako kuruwa sewodi ya gesime gotoka imeye county ya Kisii bono Thompson Mumanyi ojo kuliye kerokyo wemsiyo kuruwa senseme yu niganyara kora liye ganga ya yebene yogo chikuliye kero senseme yu kaukwana niga anyara kuboli ya bantu benseme yu kwa neki bunanku mbwati barase ganga yogo chikonyora ikerogekyo nigo chinga kechi ate ya buna senseme yu magendra berga kirena magega abwase county ya Nyamira chinsemo chinde chigendre tukukina niga ate ya buna okubwata na kwaye amana watani bande liokora chikokonya ane korochi bara sensemo ya gesima okuboro kwa mache gati yeme chandene anena soko nyara gokinie birengo byesemi asenseme yo ya gesima miye county ya Nyamira.
Sasa tuko na mikakati tumepanga ya vijana, especially program ya bodaboda. Tumewapangia wakusanye vikundi. Sisi tuko na kama kampuni yangu inaitwa Gold Petroleum. Sasa tunataka
Omulikito Mirde Mumanyi na chikotumanyoro bochi rwasenchira yobo ikiranu gotigana kurose county ya Nyamira goikase county ya Kisii wodi ya Magenche umubugi bwechingero Naftari Migisi umanyekante bune champion mige nigagendretine ganga yaye yokonyara ko yakereka ko bosio bo chikwerigali chukura ane bunumwe musiye wensemo ya Magenche miye county ya Kisii kaukwana asenseme yoni ganyara kure ire yaye yogo chikubwatira nabantu wa Magenche
na muziki ngoterande ande ne sokiri nerure ekengwanso nerure bune sadake sabantu ba Magenche elinde muntu megari nchegente ko kinta tekorra nobutaka bwalire seitogaiga chayaito nerebwa nerenalia ondobwesi gagotara isko gari amatenga Magenche no so bomigi Magenche no ebintu bire Magenche no bantaba yabale
Brands Agnisena nagenda tutubwatira bochi rwasenchira yobo ikiranu bono gotigana nayo weka asamangana yogo ichania na sumu basokana obwebara oyonyara ko kolekana asebara ya narkumaimayu abwa chigali chinge cyanyara koya abono nyana bwo ikirabone gatusarama nyuga abantu mbalenga basiri kumabwa yakolenda robot tokonyora nelibuna bantu bayo basiriye amagima basemambi ya rero nigigari yemo aina yetrera yanyara gutumura ne chigali chinde gali yemugete chigasi niko nyara kolipuka nabo igo kigali go itani 10 nigo cyanyara ko ya ase ensemeyo nabo abalimiyo muri cross county ya Nairobi amane county ya Narok batema go ikasobongo konde kigali kinyinge nigo cyanyara ko ya ase ensemeyo eke regali yo ko kirabone gan kiramanyekana nabo butiko imenigo bagendrete asare nenigo yabage ko enekiwa maiga ye kigali kinyinge ko ya ngaso basikano yo nyara ko kolekana sebare nene ya Narok maimayu nabo batumekibe pare nigo bagendrete ko semigwa ko ne kikoliga chinchira chinga go sosomo cyu Nairobi ko bwatekana nigo bosombi bwanyara gotenena asibali ryo lituko lya rero.
Nadu mahi amatali agari mahira haru umenya ka bidikari no
mwaki wa makora nako
yeni kwa wako wekare kaba exhibit kaka nini ga okua kwa mai go nito yana timu ya hala mali ndio bina okuni no haji
Ori kuhura maguru twi haha
na gotigana na yogo ikasensemo ya siasa nime ya county ya Nairobi. Mugavana wa county ya Nairobi Anne Kananu ni gaganda tekuradi ya ganga ya yogo chiko tigara na kuruandre kyo gavana se county ya Nairobi. Inyura Anne Kananu ni ganyara teko so ase kyo maiga ya Mike Mbuvi Songo wa kuisiko samanganya ta kumubwatira ni ento keretaga kuisiko ase Anne Kananu nyara taga koira li bagirika okwana ni gate abuna agocho kubwatira n'abantu bonsi na ni gasabire abantu banyara kumubwatia nigate abuna asegesa ko kyaba meru niga bitureti yabagaka bagendrete kumubekira amagoko buneganga yogo choko mu governor we county ya Nairobi aniga go chokere kuri mu senator we county ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja yaragendrete ku Rwanda kiroge kyo na bayikono mu bunge o Western Timothy Wanyonyi ngati yabali bagendrete ko ligia ekiroge kyo munchore lijadi ngatia nera niga ante kiroge kyo bo governor ngati ya Bishop Margaret Wanjiru abo bakemerete kiroge kyo obo governor kibono kyangusira bantaba ase county ya Nairobi.
Mimi kama mama na kama msichana wa Kimeru singependa kwenda kujipeleka pale mbele bila baraka za wazee. Nikakumbuka wale wazee wetu wale. Lazima nirudi nyumbani niwaambie mimi na mpango ya kusimama 2022. Na nikawaomba tafadhali mkuje tule pamoja munipatie baraka kama mama na kama msichana wenu nije nisimame 2022 kama governor wa Nairobi. Na wazee wa Ncheke, you have been very vocal in this country.
Gotigara sensemo ya siasa isiko yorogongo rwagusio mubwazimio la umoja ni gobaire chikambeni chiavase county ya Homa Bay ni gochinga kicho mugemen robe county ya Homa Bay Gladys Wanga anyaraga kuralika nga yayo guchikolige kirokyo bo governor ase county ya Homa Bay iganyara ko igokoboko na barayibaikirana bazimio ase ensemo ya seganga yokonyara ko mwakereka ko murewe kyamage ODM reroringa chinga kicho mugemen robe county ya Muranga Sabina Shege igabo lya bantu benseme yoko ne kibuna nkomwabaro koboko Gladys Wanga eliko chiko mu governor we county ya Homa Bay no nabo ni goche go Sabina Shege anyara kagote yabuna na chikubwatira n'abantu benseme yo nabo igoni ganyara kubolya abantu koboko Raila Morodinga na komochia balya bakochicheria Raila Morodinga seganga yoko ligekerogo kyoburayi bwense.
Sisi tunataka maendeleo, tunataka baba kwa sababu ya baba care, kwa sababu wa mama na watoto wote watachungwa vizuri. Our young people, there is hope in baba. Our young people, there is hope in trusting Wanga will take over the leadership of this Homa Bay. Mimi nawasihi, hata kama sio wote ambao wanamsupport. Kama if you're not supporting a woman, stop talking nonsense about a woman. If you're not supporting her, wacha sasa sisi wote tutashindana na idea sio matusi. And I know Homa Bay people, once you trust Mama Gladys Wanga, Homa Bay will never be the same again. The life of our women will not be the same again. The life of our young children will not be the same again. The life of our elderly persons will not be the same again. Wangapi wata support Gladys Wanga? Mimi nataka kuambia wale ambao wanatoa porojo, we are not interested in rigging because Baba is people's project and he is going to be the people's president. Wagoje tu tarehe 9 mwezi wa 8 Baba will be there. Baba will be there 5th, sindio? Nionyesheni kwa mkono kama mtatokea nyinyi wote.
Na gotigana na yuasia so ikansemende yechisemi aborokia bali bakuru maigaliyo bunyagitari ya University ya Moi ni gobonyo osenigo banyarego ikomwelyo bumugiro bwemiremo oyibabere bagendreta seka goitani mitinye bere bono mbaga yugo twara chinkwana noboteni we University ya Moi nabego nekyombe kiaba Teresa KMPDU ni gobekiro kuigwana ukoirana ibirasi megati yali babere bakwemurunganiria no gotaka nwengeri yabo abagenengo wetani mitini 5 egento ba mojeto botini we University yo batose batanya ko bakana nabo nigo chinga kyekyo batayabuna oikabaro kibese ikiaso irase kibenge cyabo kwamanye kwirana ebirasime.
And I'm very happy that all of us today were in total agreement that peace and stability can be restored with immediate effect, and from now henceforth there will be communication, there will be dialogue, and we shall always amicably and collaboratively find solutions to issues that may emanate in the course of our work at the university.
And we have managed to resolve the issue at hand, which was largely the arrears that were pending for the lecturers, the 8 months arrears that were there.
The enhanced arrears for the doctor lecturers will be paid immediately. The other thing is that all the salaries that were withheld in the month of December and January will be paid immediately. Then all the disciplinary proceedings that the university had instituted against the lecturers and against the union officials will be withdrawn immediately.
The doctors also have bank loans which were also not remitted, so we are very pleased that these aspects were captured in the return to work formula.
Mgomo huu tumeufunga, lakini tunangoja hizo pesa zionekane kwenye account kwanza, alafu madaktari wetu waanze kazi.
Omugwimen Rabube County ya Laikipia Keti Ugoruguru niko mwana nyarega komoche umurai wensu muskuru Kenyatta asiganga yae yokoligia komoko bokona musiro na kumusira umurai we kyama gya ODM Raila abosiyo bochikoba umurai wense Keti waruguru ka ukwana chinga kichi nigate birabuna umurai we kyama gya ODM Raila niga bwanto we kiwase kigambero asenge nchubuna abwa sobo cholyo bonne bwa etete gabete ka wetiani abuno umurai bwa bantu a sense of the people's president again to gorguru atebirabuna oyino kwenda mamincha neli chiko anene aso okombe no gotagwera amachibwa nyarateka koralibwa nekyombe kyobo choli nechimbe ABC nona bohuni gorguru atebirabuna amurai bwe kyamage odhem tabwente koiwa koboko no murai bwense makobate kanabuna niga watama mocho abwente goika asekigambiro nona bohuni gochinga kichi atebirabuna umurai bwe kyamakia UDA bwe goromokonyo umurai bwense William Ruto na chikobwa chikura sobo choli bwo chokoleka no mutinyo gatana gatatu mwako yega umurewe kyamagya ODM Raila na batabe osina naba atachuwanchirana amachiwara chikoralirwa nekyombe kyobo choli nechimbebe IEBC.
Raila Odinga has a big case in matters to do with treason when he went ahead to swear in himself, led by MP Kajwang, TJ Kajwang, and Miguna who is still in exile today. I only have a problem with President Kenyatta taking somebody who has committed treasonable crime and pulling him and further going ahead to endorse him as a presidential candidate. President, as a symbol of national unity, he is promoting a culture of vandalism, a culture that does not respect the constitution, a culture that would only tell from MCAs all the way to president, you should not accept IEBC results. Raila declined to accept IEBC results for the first time and went ahead to challenge uchaguzi kule kwa IEBC. He went to Supreme Court and we did a repeat election. What transpired and what happened? How did President Kenyatta manage to forgive Raila Odinga? Ati salamu ya handshake ndio ilikuwa salamu ya kusamehea crimes ambazo ndani ya katiba they are treasonable. Raila Odinga should first go to Kenyan courts and be tried, and he cleans his name before he is brought to Mount Kenya. This man who stopped and paralyzed business at Nairobi CBD and even parts of Kenya, he is the face of a political instability in this country. In an instance where William Ruto will beat Raila Odinga hands down, as much as he is a state project, I want to categorically state, I know Raila Odinga will not accept matokeo. And that is why you hear people like my good friend Sabina Chege trying to allude that it is in the culture of IEBC to steal votes for a certain favorable candidate.
Abarayibechi kanisa inse jomwaburiya bo National Churches Council of Kenya NCCK ni gobono baburiya barayibonse kone kibuna chinga kechi gobo choli bogandete korobuli gwemeyense nkorali baro murembe anekora chinkwana bago kwana babase gwetania aba Kenya ni gobarogo kurogo tindi ko cyasa barayibonse kubwaterana amoneti kanisa buneganga yokorali yo murembe imeyense kerokyo bo choli bogandete kwaliganiwa.
We want to urge all presidential candidates to know that as the Bible says, the power of the tongue. The tongue is a small organ in the body, but it can set this country on fire. So we'll urge them to exercise caution when they speak, so that they speak words that are going to bring the country together and not to put it asunder.
Monchu mulgeria nyoronsi ani gantuko ya nyora gwetira Ndizi TV hobwansu bo mugusi roboti urogutwambuka goikasa nsemende yechi gosori Nyanza na Regional League niga nyara ko saniga ganrete asiri tukolera nyara ko gosori gwasegeti kyagetembe inyora kikao FC nigo banyara ko baharigania Ichuni FC abwase Ichuni FC yanyara ko yikora timu yo chigolisa to ase Amayia Eyemo ekere Ichuni yanyikora kikao FC chigolisa to ase Amayia Eyemo onyero bunase kombe keligia reto mwako eta kia matoke Memorial Cup timu ya Junior FC nere yanyarete osena wanyarete koba abanyankongo no inaboni ko banyara ko yikora bone timu ya Kikao FC chigolisa to ase Amayia Eyemo no inabo inyora timu ya Kikao FC nere ntunde ya bentangani goso asensemo ye chigosori ya Nyanza Regional League iwabere bako gosori ya asensemeria ya County League.
Twakira umupira umuyana nde twawokera kwenye result hiyo 3-1 tariembe, and we expect good results as coming from next week. Keep following us. Twawokera sana so mpira urengerera. Irende season hiyo kwenye tukwa Katore County League. Players mbaro twaone tuko team chini na Shabana na Gusi FC. Wiki gana chigo cha bakabla transfer season etrahera ninganyere tiko sign new players. Ngare tiko meketiko skiane kebe na kereki imara. Ichuni babero roba akino no mupira mo kabero bawaka ninde shwa kuchakira next weekend much more results ingia kuruki kwa sports club.
Tubate timu yetu kwa Ichuni combined in round ya kabere gusirikia sa regionals na karatuwa cha tu planti a win from away nani nyasa kwa dege tekija otogwereire ijapokuwa challenges chaba igana hali na tuacha kwa swaige pindi ya kabere pindi katakani bya mrabachi ya sana ijapokuwa lende challenges watu ara pindi ya kabere
Jasa Marieta Angolo kwa Anthony Ongeri kapteni ya timu Ichuni wake asante sana so kwa chikolisa tase otherwise timu Ichuni na bando tuwe sukuma sana kenekera kuge kego trainer lige sabakuga mono so wakiri ya sana se Ndizi TV aso go ja pia kubati chigoso geje bakigetie kikiage tembe otherwise twaro denga Ndizi TV nere mutwe nere ranyale ku support talent ye chega igewe nyale kubwato mupiro egere abana bake bari banyara ko improve
bamura banemba akabuya asa Marieta Angolo kugire sigesare ko rubogeje bamura be timu yane Ichuni ba ko mupiro muya ibo se mereti ba ko mupiro muyo morora bamura bane ba Ichuni ba wa ko mupiro motoere boyigo timu iri bari guciasa nero ekwaneru ba ko mupiro motoere rumna Ichuni ito yakabuya
Monchu mulgeria hayungati twabereto gukwaliganiria kwikera chinse chikono chiabono margobana manga tochiko kumaichi koragaisa tochiabo tuko ire tunakumanyia ase encherenkerano ayo monenda manga ntokumanyisa tochiabo tuko kwikira buno nkuna chira mangana majia ase enchera yo boikrano bali mwe twabotera na semesa ya mangana majia kobakirambiyo mona yo mulgeria soko chora ko yatengera ku Ndizi TV obwansu bo mugusi buna botambeheretirane nkoroko Vincent Onyancha.
Hello. Yes.
Ndizi TV. Obwansu bw'omugusi.